Okay guys, today it's night time, but we're gonna be an El Toro and we're gonna change truck each time. But first we have El Toro Loco. Jumping over like 26 or 27 monster trucks.
Wow!
And my name is Andrew, and my brother's going to be jumping into the video when we start with the cars. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, and this is only our first video, but we'll be making hundreds and hundreds of more.
What?
We've also got some Monster Jam pictures that
Aha.
they're going to make when I send it to them. So we've got a Toro Loco here, Northern Nightmare here, Alien Invasion, he's here, and El Toro is here, and he's there. Northern Nightmare, I've got a big one, but he's broken his wheel.
Oh.
And I've got Alien Invasion there, and Dragon over here. And we're going to start with the video now. And first we're going to be doing El Toro Loco. And this is Hendrik, my brother. 7 minutes older than me, but he's still 7, I'm 7. And we're going to be jumping El Toro Loco. Follow me, right? Okay, should we start? Wait. Pause the video. Oh, he's made all of them. He's into the next one. Okay. Put him. Andrew, put him here. And this is Tiger Shark. Huh? Tiger Shark. No, it doesn't. Yeah, this is kind of Tiger Shark. I don't know what it is, but I'm not a Hot Wheels fan. Yeah, and we're gonna do him over Monster Jam and Hot Wheels. And these are Monster Jam and Hot Wheels. Hold it. Can I do this one? Oh, he hit Soldier of Fortune. So now we'll be jumping zombie.
Game over.
That's right over here. And he can move his arms, and of course he has wheels to move. Well, he's a new one we only got him yesterday. And I will hold it so it doesn't go flying somewhere else. Oh, we made it! He landed on... Yep, he's made it. Zombie has done it again.
Wow!
Okay, so we're going to be showing you 4 trucks that will be doing this loop-the-loop. I'll show you first Soldier of Fortune. And Hendrix is going to show you Earthshaker. He's rainbow. Showing the colour. Coloured dirt and multicolored wheels, and he's and the dirt. And the dirt's multicolored, and he unfortunately it can't tip back, but he has multicolored wheels. He's got black, yellow, black, white. So these two are the same. And you can get them this way, black, yellow, yellow, or yellow, yellow, white, white. And you can get big ones with these, and this, and over here it's multicolored, then has a little graphic inside, and it has a little window onto the side. Also you can get big ones with these too. Well, you don't pretty see Soldier of Fortune that much. And they also have drivers in them. All of these trucks, except the Hot Wheels ones, have drivers in them. This one has some glass roofs, and that's it. Okay, now we're going to show you Dragon and Monster Mutt Dalmatian. And here's the Monster Mutt Dalmatian. So you could also get big with these, and this is kind of the original one, but the original one doesn't have like orange in its teeth. But like here it's red, but on top it's yellow. And you can't see that because you can't see through one. You don't see through it. And orange tires and black and blue wheels. And he might go in the dark. We've got a poor little antique over here and over here, and his Northern Nightmare. But we're replacing Northern Nightmare with Hot Wheels 3. And his Alien Vision is over here, and his Dragon. But you could sometimes. People don't know if Dragonoid and Dragon are made by the same people. Okay, we're now going to start with this Loop the Loop, and first we've got Earthshaker, a wheelie champion. And you said you're going first. Okay. Get your two.
So Earthshaker's a wheelie champion. Imagine this is Earthshaker, and he went. So did Zombie, who's right there. Show Zombie. Okay, good. Now we're gonna line them up. You can also fit cars in here. Well, this is actually made for the Hot Wheels. Well, you can use Monster Jam as well. There's gonna be Wheelies. Oh, he lands it. And now it's Dragon. Sports for Fortunes coming out. And he lands it. Now Soldier of Fortune. Beautiful one. What? He comes again. He couldn't get enough speed. Dad, what's wrong with this? Guys, we're just having a problem with the track. The Dragon just worked, so now that might be working.
Game over.
Oh, he's not done it yet. Yeah. Okay.
Cheater.
And it, well, he does very good wheelies. And he hold it, he goes, hold it, Andrew. And hold it tight, yeah. Hold it tight, Andrew. Hold it really tight.
What?
So guys, unfortunately, this is the end of this video. So please subscribe and ring the bell and press that like button. And see you bye.
We're gonna be doing some more videos, okay? But sorry, this one was very short. It's just because it was first, okay? Bye, see you next time.
Peace.